Okay guys, welcome to Don Mueang International Airport. I'm taking a domestic flight on Bangkok Airways, and as you can see, I had to take a bus to get to the plane. Luckily the plane wasn't very far away on this occasion. It only took like 5 minutes to get there. Sometimes it takes forever. This is quite popular at Don Mueang. Quite a lot of flights require a bus just to get to or from the plane. It's quite the inconvenience in my opinion, but it does get the job done. I have been told they do this to save money. I also have been told they have to do this because the airport is so busy. Both are possible and probable. I believe both, that's for sure. There's the plane. And as you can see, it's actually close to the airport this time. They have this on both domestic and international flights, so flying in and out of Don Mueang, you get a very good chance of going on a bus ride. Going to the plane is not a big deal, but getting off the plane, especially if you have a tight connection, it takes a long time sometimes. It's quite the inconvenience, that's for sure. And there we go. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you're flying in and out of Don Mueang, just remember, it's a possibility, it's not a guarantee that you're going to get to take the bus.